I ordered this natural jute rope 3-ply, 100 meters, which is, I think, 328 feet, because I needed a sturdy but flexible option for some fall decorating project I'm doing. The roll arrived neatly wound, and it has a good weight in the hand. I like the natural brown color that has that rustic look that's going to work well for my craft. Strong and durable, but soft, that I can actually handle it easily when I actually do get to work. And because it is like 300 feet, plenty for that seasonal decorating. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. The length, the versatility, and what I'm actually going to use this for is to tie corn stalks together for my fall outside decor. It has the right balance of the strength I'm looking for and the softness, and I like the color, the natural brown color, but I highly recommend.